Fuel Bite here, and this is the first day of October Fast. Yes, it has fast in the name, and they still let me come. And yes, it is November, not October, but that's how the calendar worked. So anyway, here at the Super Speedway, Nashville Super Speedway with Tennessee Region SCCA, and it's afternoon. It was really cold this morning, but it's warmed up nicely and should have some good runs. Okay, first run. Traction control is off. Front coilovers are full firm. The rear are 10 from firm. This should loosen it up a little from last time. Second run, same setup. Come on, turn. I apologize for not spinning. Alright, I'm way too aggressive. Pushing really bad right there. control's on. No! Yeah, I blew it. Oh, that traction control is just, no, I can't believe it. 47,667. Well, the car handled much better. It actually rotates now and turns, so that was great. I forgot to turn the traction control off on that 5th run, which is unfortunate. I had bettered my time every run up until then, so probably would have did a little better, but had a great time and hope you enjoyed it.